Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alexa, and if you are returning to my channel, thank you again. So today I am just doing a quick unboxing. I finally got the Mielle Organics Moisture Rx collection. When this collection dropped, it was crazy. Like, they sold out in like 30 minutes. I actually was still sleeping, so when I woke up and I saw everything was sold out, I was like, damn it. She was selling everything for $7.99, and now I think the prices went up. So the second restock, I was able to get a hold on all the items in the collection, and it was still $7.99 each. So obviously you cannot add promo codes and all that stuff, but it was still a deal because now the prices are back up. And I'm definitely going to be trying the product because I love Mielle Organics. And if you haven't already, you can definitely watch my other video and see my Mielle Organics haul video. I'm going to show you guys all the products that I got. So if you're interested, just keep watching and we'll get straight to it. I'm kind of confused. I bought a lot of things during her anniversary sale, and I just got a big brown box, which I was super disappointed in. I was actually expecting one of these boxes, but maybe they don't make them that big, and that's why. But I received this box for the Moisture RX collection when I was expecting like a Moisture RX kind of box, but I don't know if that's just a PR box. Anywho, inside is super cute, so I'm actually excited that I at least got to have one of her boxes. Thank you card, obviously. Now they added in the new Moisture RX product right here. We got a booklet, and inside it shows you all the products that she has come out with and what they're good for. The pomegranate and honey line, you already know, is my favorite. I have my packing slip in here. Oh, now correction, I said $7.99. Everything was $7 each. So excited. This stuff is so pretty. First of all, this packaging is so beautiful. It's like an ombre, aquamarine, and then into gold. Alright, so this is Mielle's Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger, and this is the leave-in conditioner. Next up is Mielle's Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. I am super excited about this. This smells amazing. It smells so good. It looks super thick. So this is the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Styling Gel. Ugh, I'm like, just take my brains out now. Just take them out. I want to try this so bad. So I've mentioned already a leave-in and then an overnight conditioner. There's no actual washing conditioner or a co-wash, these kind of things. So cleansing products they don't have yet. That may be something that she comes out with in the future, so I will be on the lookout for that. Next product up is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. This butter is looking thick. So the last product in the box is the Hawaiian Ginger Scalp Treatment. This mist provides relief for those suffering from dry, itchy scalp. So I am super excited about this line. The packaging is just beautiful. It's different. I haven't seen anything like it. Her products do work, at least her honey pomegranate line. I love that line. I'm excited to test these out for you. They smell amazing. They look good. I love packaging. I can't get over it. But the fact that they smell really good, I really hope that I can achieve a beautiful wash day with these products. And I'm hoping in the future that she does maybe possibly come out with cleansing products like a shampoo, a conditioner, and a co-wash. If you have tried these products, definitely let me know down below what you think of them. So this unfortunately brings us to the end of my video. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading my next video. And also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. It is at Alexa, 2A's 30. I will leave my handle up above. So definitely check me out on there. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!